Hello, welcome to my channel. I have a pouch right here. I've had this for about a week or two now, and I just want to show it and talk about it. As you can tell, it's got 3 pockets. It's got this strap on it to put other things in it. And then it's got a pocket right here that you can put a notebook in it. Then you turn it around and it's got a zipper pocket. That's the name of it. And you can tell it's pretty nice looking, and it's made well. Look at them stitches down through there. And then you got these tie points right here on both sides, where you can put a keychain, or you can make you a lanyard to put on around your neck, however you want to do it. Or you can just you can tie it to your pants and have your cord running to it, whatever. Let's just pull out this notebook. This is an all-weather notebook. This is my first one that I've had, and it's just like any other paper, but it's wax and it's waterproof and everything. So this right here is my survival pen, and then right here is my flashlight. And right here is my little screwdriver. It's got 6 bits. You can pick any size that you want. And you just put it right on in there. And then screw the lid on it. So let's check this pouch out. Why there ain't nothing in it. See right there's the individual pockets, and then your pocket for your notebook. Right there. There. Right there. And there you go. Let me know what you think.